The Oklahoma State Regents for Higher Education is a coordinating board for the state system of higher education in the state of Oklahoma. And we have 25 institutions that make up our state system. That includes 2 research universities, 10 regional universities, 1 public liberal arts university, and 12 community colleges. So in our partnership with SAS, we've been engaged in 2 phases so far in the last couple of years. Phase 1 in that partnership has really focused on modernizing our data infrastructure. We used to have an older warehouse of data that was maybe inconsistent or clunky, didn't always produce the same results depending on who ran things, maybe wasn't reliable. And we've spent a good amount of time with SAS building that up and modernizing that infrastructure. One of those initiatives has been just really good data governance practices, learning from SAS on how to have that transparent, reliable, consistent data across the agency, and hopefully, of course, having that kind of trickle down to our institutions so that they're being consistent with data definitions and the way that they practice good data management and processes. The other thing that we've really done with SAS in Phase 2 is worked with them to develop these data-driven, public-facing dashboards, and that has allowed our institutions and other users to have access to kind of easy, reliable, essential data. Data is really powerful because you can take data to a stakeholder, a state regent, a president of an institution, a specific industry, and you can show them what the needs are, and then you can make a plan from there on how to address those needs. It's really looking at what's best for our students in Oklahoma, for them to have fulfilling lives and to build Oklahoma's economy and make it a place where people want to live and work and have families. We chose SAS for a couple of different reasons. One is just that they have a suite of products that really work for what we needed to do at our agency, tools that we use on the front end with data analytics and data visualization tools. SAS has experience working with higher education and state agencies, so they just really were familiar with our unique needs. We're also able to consult with SAS really easily when we do face issues, we need to problem solve, and so there's really good kind of maintenance of those products. I think those are the big things that really, when looking at just different options for modernizing that warehouse and having a long-term plan that's going to be sustainable for having good data management and good data practices and resulting in kind of consistent, reliable work, it all just pointed back to a company like SAS that could support that, not just with their technology, but training and other tools.